Hey, Apple. How you doing, girl? Wanna go out? Come on, let's go out. And if you saw the video on Apple's first snowstorm, you'll remember that she was very hesitant to walk out into the snow at all. Now, she's a real champ. Come on, let's go for a walk. Got quite a snowfall here. Still going. And Apple's right with me. Hey, App. Come on. Every time I turn around, there she is. There's my girl. Good girl. Good girl. I guess she doesn't mind following in my footsteps here. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Good girl, huh? You like the snow? Come on, let's go back. Let's go back. Go back. Come on, go in. Come on, go in. Let's go in. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That's a good girl. So it looks like we probably got about 8 inches of snow so far. It's going to snow through most of the day. I hope our fish are still alive in here. Come on. Our little doggy door housing has worked very well. It keeps the opening to the actual doggy door free so that the dogs can just go right out and into the snow. Good, you can go in, Apple. Go in. Just to give you a little appreciation of the intensity of this snowstorm, I'm going to go out the front door. I don't let the dogs out front because then they would probably just run down the street, get lost, hit by a car or something awful. But I just cleared a little bit of a path in the front here, and you can get an appreciation for how deep it actually is. You can see, here's my hand by comparison. It looks to be at least 8 inches, maybe a foot. And of course, there's really nothing going on. It's a Saturday, so most people don't have to go to work. Looks like the road has been plowed, but it got quickly covered over. And my car is completely engulfed in snow. That'll be some cleanup job later on today. We are taking care of the birds in the area. We have a bird feeder here. Well, I don't see too many birds going to it, but there's a bird feeder. There's another bird feeder out there. And we scattered a few random pieces of bird seed on the banister and out in the yard, but of course out in the yard it gets covered with snow right away. So Apple is still wanting to go outside. She's going out on her own. Didn't have to call her. She's really become a real champ when it comes to snowstorms now. She has no hesitancy. The rest of them, like here is Bootsy and Tag, sleeping very comfortably on a chair next to a beautiful wood fire in our stove. Keeping the room warm, we have these heat-powered fans, which are really a very nice innovation. They don't take any electricity, they run very, very quietly, and they just push the heat out into the room. so we don't have to run our oil burner or any other heating source. So as Apple goes bounding around in the snow and has a lot of fun playing out there, we'll call it a day for now and hope everybody is doing well. For those of you in the southern hemisphere in the midst of your summer, this should be a nice refreshing break for you. And just to put the cap on it, there's Apple pooping.